All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, buying the coin, using credit cards from BlockFi credit cards and getting rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good things. Today, we're talking about AMP token. AMP token is basically changing the way cryptocurrency is being used on this planet. There's a lot of good things going on, the circulation of things. We're going to talk about that. So all kinds of things, updates, news, what's going on with AMP. The other day, it almost hit 6 cents. So that's pretty big. It almost kissed it, 5.8 cents. We're going to bring that up when we talk about the charts. So with that, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So with that, one of our things is making sure every single person on the planet gets to know about cryptocurrency. So let's make sure we share this video. We go over cryptocurrency tips, what to look for, if you're mining the cryptocurrency, all kinds of good stuff. So let's go ahead and jump over to AMP token. All right, so here we go. We're going to talk about ZebPay. So ZebPay is a platform that now is accepting the AMP token. It says AMP token. Why buy AMP? When AMP is used as collateral, every asset becomes fast and secure, the medium exchange. Listen to this, everybody. The supply of AMP token is fixed at 100 billion. The AMP token is up 581%. 581% in the last year. I mean, that's pretty big here. So this is a big coin that we're talking about. It's up a lot. So I just wanted to first start off that ZebPay is now offering AMP token. Also wanted to jump over here to Newton. Newton is another platform that is now, say hello to our newest addition. Notice this, AMP token. And it says right down here, AMP is a digital collateral token that is supported instant variable transfers of any kind that values the Flex network. The AMP token is used by Flex network to facilitate collateral crypto payments to pay for goods and services through vendors who receive fiat. So here is another platform, Newton, that is accepting AMP token. So more and more places are making AMP available. So if more and more people can get the AMP, what does that mean? All right, jumping over here at Coin Market, we're at AMP. It's the 61st cryptocurrency on the planet right now. It's slightly under 5 cents. It's at 0.472, down slightly in the last 24 hours. So a couple things here. The market cap is over 2 billion. The circulation right here is at 42 billion. And if you take a look over here, the circulation is actually 46%. So is there opportunity in this coin? I mean, there's over 50% of the circulation that's not in existence yet that will be in existence. So that's pretty big. So the coin's only at 46%, 46% of the circulation. Here's the part I wanted to show you the other day, that the coin right here, I wanted to show you this here the other day, that the AMP token just a few days ago got the almost 5.8, 0583, almost 6 cents there. So this coin just the other day almost got to 6 cents. Now the thing is it came down a little bit, and then notice it went back up, okay, and now it's back down. Okay, so interesting thing is when it goes up and it goes down, what happens next? That's right. But I like to talk about supporting things that can help the AMP token. So let's jump over to that. We've been talking about this, the Sheetz, gas stations, and convenience stores. Remember, Flexa created the AMP. It says Sheetz becomes the first C-store chain to accept digital currency. Partner with Flexa, Sheetz is entering into Bitcoin space, becoming the first convenience store chain to accept digital currency in the store at the pump. It says, above all else, our mission at Sheetz is to continue to provide our customers with the ultimate one-stop shop where they can refuel their car, refresh their body. As a result, we can consistently explore new offerings to truly give our customers what they want. Okay, and so what do they want? That includes accepting many forms of payments, said Linda Smith, the payment manager for Sheetz. Now, we are very excited to be working with Flexa to roll out and support for cryptocurrency and other types of digital assets of the store, she added. Now, how many stores do they have? That's right, 622 stores across the United States. Pennsylvania, North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, and Maryland. It says this groundbreaking partnership makes the first time that a digital currency has been accepted for convenience purchases. It greatly expands the utility of this digital currency for everyday spending, according to Flexa. So again, I like to bring different supporting things. So we got different platforms that are now accepting the AMP token. The more and more platforms that accept the AMP, the circulation is only at 46%. Okay, so there's over 50% of the circulation that still has to start circulating. Okay, so how's it going to happen? By more and more platforms accepting it. Okay, well now the Sheetz gas station and convenience stores, you're going to be able to pay for your different goods and services, pay for your gas at the pump in cryptocurrency by selecting the Flexa and the AMP. Okay, so now what does AMP token do? AMP token for the merchant, it's a safety net. It's like insurance that when somebody's paying with cryptocurrency, one of the first drawbacks is when you pay with Bitcoin and you pay with your cryptocurrency, it may show up in the person's wallet really quick, but it doesn't really get confirmed for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. Could be 2 hours, 24 hours. So it's not convenient for somebody to be in store. There's 10 people online and they're paying with the cryptocurrency, and each cryptocurrency takes 30 minutes to confirm that the money is there. I mean, so if you had 5 people online, you'd be in line for 2.5 hours to pay for your groceries because you're paying with cryptocurrency. So there's one of the big drawbacks, is the time it takes to do it. Now, I know when you send your money to your friend and it shows up in your friend's wallet very quickly and your friend's real happy, but it actually doesn't get confirmed till a little bit later. 30 minutes, 2 hours, depending on the coin, depending on the blockchain, all that good stuff. Okay, so there's one of the big drawbacks. The second thing is the gas fees and the fees. Imagine paying for some toothpaste and some peanut butter and jelly, and you got $15 in goods, but the gas fees is $12. So you're going to pay for $15 in goods, but you're going to pay $27. Doesn't make sense. So there's a second thing that's not a good thing because of the gas fees. Well, the Flex and AMP makes that possible. It doesn't cost the consumer anything to use their app to basically, it doesn't cost them $10, $15 in gas fees. So that's really nice for the consumer. The merchant, the brick and mortar, well, they want to accept it. Well, AMP is like the insurance. It basically says that the consumer pays with Bitcoin. Actually, Bitcoin, most people don't use their Bitcoin Cash. So the consumer pays with Bitcoin Cash, $25. Okay, and instantly the Flexa network and AMP confirms it. Now the merchant has their money, kind of. Okay, if the actual Bitcoin Cash goes there, everything runs smoothly. Basically, just like insurance, you know how like you don't use an insurance policy unless you get in a car accident, unless if somebody dies, unless if basically the house burns down, that's when you use your insurance. But you have the insurance, but when you need it, that's when you use it. Same thing. Okay, so if the Bitcoin Cash goes through to the merchant, hey, everything great. But if all of a sudden an hour later or 4 hours later or 7 hours later, the merchant doesn't have their money, AMP steps in, the Flexa network steps in, and they pay the merchant, okay, and now the merchant gets paid all their money because of the AMP network. So pretty cool thing there. Now, also, consumers like us, we can stake the AMP token. So by staking it, we're actually making money and rewards. Now, dig this. It sounds kind of negative at first, but it really isn't. So when AMP has to give the money to the merchant for Flexa and AMP to do that, they're actually taking the stake coins to pay that. Well, that's okay because the person who's staking it, they're getting their interest and they're getting their percentages and stuff like that. So they already know that's going to happen. So Flexa and AMP is guaranteeing that's happening. So this is going to be big, the AMP token. It's one of these tokens that's going to be used over and over again. Circulation is 46%. In the June time, it went as high as 12 cents if you look at the chart. Right now, just the other day, it almost kissed 6 cents. I know it's slightly below 5, but when it was at 4 cents, I was talking about positioning. Did you want to position and get into this? So my prediction by the end of the year, hey, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All our information here on the channel is for educational purposes only. I think by the end of the year, the AMP token gets to its high of 12 cents. That's just what I think. I've read a lot of things on the channel that some people say 12 cents, 10 cents, 10 to 30 cents. There's a lot of different predictions out there. Again, my prediction, I think it's going to get to the high. Just the other day, it almost got to 6 cents. So with that, let's jump back into AMP. So we're over here at the AMP website, AMP token, and it says, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides an asset. And this right here, this is going to change whatever cryptocurrency that it's showcasing. If you notice, every 5 or 10 seconds it changed. Litecoin right here, boom. Now all of a sudden it changes to Bitcoin Cash. It's getting ready to choose the Dogecoin. Shwam, look at that, it's Dogecoin. So it goes around the thing here. The cool thing is it's like insurance. You can stake the coin, you can send the coin, you can repeat. Let's see the staking. AMP is an extensive platform for collateralizing asset transfers. By staking the AMP, any form of value exchange can be guaranteed. Digital payments, fiat currency, exchanges, loans, property sales, and more. Learn how to stake AMP. So you click it, and it talks right here, how to stake the AMP token, and you kind of click a couple things here. So you got a nice little tutorial. I would recommend going to the amptoken.org to kind of read that. So very, very interesting. Going back over here to coin market, AMP's at 61, down slightly, but we know that this price was just at almost 5.8 cents. So I would be paying attention to this. Just want to cover a couple things here. Helium, for everybody that's got their helium miner. Helium's at $20.25. Take a look at this. This coin is up 18% in the last 7 days. Everybody always likes to talk about Pancake Swap. It's trading at $19.45. It's up slightly over 3.64% last 7 days. Elron at number 36 is actually up 26% in the last 7 days. It's actually up 13%. We're going to be talking about Elron here soon. So Elron, we're going to definitely be paying attention to that. One of our favorites is Bitcoin Cash. Again, when this coin was just a week or two ago, under 500, and it was like $480, I was talking about this. Take a look, it's almost at 600. It's up 19% in the last 7 days, Bitcoin Cash. This is the coin that's going to be used all the time, Bitcoin Cash. AMP token also. Avalanche is at number 13. It's up about 5% in the last 24 hours. Rounding out the top 10, we got Dogecoin. It's at 24 cents. It's up 19%, almost 20% in the last 7 days. Polkadot's at number 8, up 17% in the last 7 days, up 6% last 24 hours. Solana is at number 7, up 10%. XRP is up 13% in the last 7 days. Cardano is at number 4, up 7% in the last 7 days. Binance Coin has moved up to number 3. It's actually at 13% up in the last 7 days. Ethereum's up 19% in the last 7 days. And here's the one that everybody loves. Bitcoin itself is up 24%. Did you hear that? Bitcoin, the granddaddy of them all. It's up 24% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is also a good indicator. Look at Bitcoin as like a bobber. And here's the water. What you notice is when Bitcoin goes down, a lot of times the altcoins will go down. Well, Bitcoin goes up, a lot of times other coins goes up. So you can kind of use Bitcoin as a bobber of what's going on and stuff like that, which is pretty interesting. So, but anyways, Bitcoin up, up, up. Yeah, that's right. It's almost at 54,000, and just a week and a half ago it was at 42.44, and we were talking about this. What's the circulation of everything in the global market? It's at 2.29 trillion. It's up almost 1%. So a lot of stuff going on in cryptocurrency. So with that, AMP token doing fantastic. Again, the other day I was super excited to watch that coin go up. Circulation being at 46%. Staking the coin. A lot of people are staking the AMP token. You may want to look into that, but the key thing of everything is I just like that a lot of places are using the AMP token. There's more platforms that are getting it on, getting the AMP token on the platform. There's more services using the AMP token. You can make rewards for staking the AMP token. All kinds of good things. So don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, share this with your friends. All our information is for educational purposes only. Don't forget to click right here so you can see our most recent video. Again, one of our visions is to help every single person on the planet have some cryptocurrency. If it's going to be Shiba Inu, if it's going to be Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, AMP token, but we want to spread the news because cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. You should all feel fortunate because you're all into this way, way early. Right now being 2021, in 2026, people are going to be like, God, I wish I would have got into cryptocurrency 5 years ago. Well, you're all in it. And you're researching and you're checking things out. We're all doing this together. So with that, thanks for tuning in. Monday through Friday, we have a video at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. On the weekends, we bring you a video on Saturday and Sundays around 3 or 4 o'clock. Everybody, you have an awesome day today on Friday. Woo!